We got a quadruple feature going today. First Captain America on all 5 TVs. Kong Skull Island on the laser short throw projector. We got some classic Baywatch going on the Samsung frame. And then Spider-Man No Way Home on the LG 83-inch OLED. And I must say it looks fantastic. I don't know if I've given you guys a tour around here in a while, but go through and look at some. These horns are from 1978. The Scala's beautiful. Got some clips, got some Focal. These Focal headphones right here, $1,400. $1,400. They sound amazing. They really do. This Macintosh turntable with 2 preamplifiers. You're looking at about $12,500 on that bad boy. Macintosh does not mess around. We got some classic Macintosh. Pretty sweet. That's a pretty good looking little Denon record player right there, huh? More Macintosh tube amp goodness. Then of course the theater room, where we got these 24,000 and 20,000 a pair BMW and Focal towers, ran by a whole bunch of Macintosh. It's a very nice home theater setup, if I do say so myself. Got the bias lighting back there, and the beauty of in-wall speakers, in-ceiling speakers, and then you can run it all right here from the touchpad. You want to watch something, listen to something, some lighting, whatever you want to do. Adjust the security, huh? Adjust your tips. It's all right here on this tablet. It's really awesome. A lot of cool stuff going on here, people. Lots of cool stuff. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, she's starting to come together now.
This is the tailgate.
A lot of speakers.
Yeah. This is, if you're looking at it from the backside, the tailgate folds up into there.
Well, that's going to look sweet. But we cannot divulge this information until it is done. Top secret. G14 classified. Yeah. Look at that. Coming together. Ported, stacked, smooth. It's going to be sick. Look at Devin. Some of your handiwork here, sir?
Oh, yeah. All that. Well, not the building part.
I heard it was your design.
The body shaping and stuff.
Uh-huh.
Boy, right here.
Man.
You want to help me take this thing in there?
Sure. Yeah, I'll grab it. Hold on. That's a lot of power.
A lot more power in here.
Really? A lot more. These are the Trinities, huh?
Yeah, the 2
Trinity Audio Solution 3Ks going on the mids and highs.
No, just mids.
Oh, okay.
The crossfire staying on the highs. This one.
Leather kit over here. It's like I smell some cone in there. Look coil. Had to show you guys this real quick. One of our loyal customers just pulled up in this beauty. Power steps and all. That's a mean Bronco right there. 2-door, tough. That's how you get one spec'd. Right there. Thanks to Bobby and a little help from Devin, this Gladiator now has leather seats.
And seat heaters.
And seat heaters, that's right. Lovely dual color, diamond stitch, soft, plush, nice. We do that here. This is what we do. You see, Devin's about to install the other seat with seat heaters and new leather. You love to see it. So you got a 3K, and what's going on here? Processor, yep, makes perfect sense. And that's gonna slot in right under, oh, I see. Where the feet go in. Nice, nice. And these motors look awesome on these mids. Neodymium, rare earth metal, John Earl.
That's right. Ooh, that's sweet.
James ready to dig into the Moscone software.
You ain't ready. You ain't ready for this truck, yeah.
Now you don't want no parts of this.
This that $2.5 million piece truck.
This is the one.
Yeah, this is the home.
Pretty sick. Pretty sick. Yeah, that's a bad boy. James getting ready to dial it in.
Oh, he's like programming the system or something?
The DSP. Yeah.
You know, he's DSP.
So we're checking in on Devin and the Beast. And
Tomorrow we should have that 16K in there ready.
that's going right underneath there.
Yeah, it's gonna come out. I think we were talking about. We don't know exactly where we want to put it yet, but I think it might cover up the cup
Build a
holders a little bit.
false floor.
Yeah, something like that. Cause that's a big amp, man.
That's a big old amp. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be very nice when it's done. It should be loud. There's the box for said amplifier. What, the Crossfire 16K?
Yeah.
16 volt 16K. You notice that?
I say 16 volt.
Yeah, it says 16 volt.
Shit. Maybe take 3 powers and 3 grounds on there.
Oh yeah,
You know
no.
we're pulling power.
It's a hoss. It's a hoss.
You know we're pulling power.
Interesting.
It looked like one piece. Couldn't believe that there was at least 8 boxes and some side pieces added on there.
That does look good. Devin said he sprayed it. He said he sprayed it.
I sprayed it. I did the body work. Though.
Hey, that does look good though.
Thank you.
That's
I built it.
I know. You built it. You built it. That's a very unorthodox thing. I like it. Now, what do we have here? Barney, binaural audio record, non-interference, elaborate. Okay. Hello, Barney. Oh. Oh. Hello, Barney. She's ready. I haven't seen those yet. Bobby, would you say that Devin is now a leather worker?
He's a Pedro.
Pedro Jr. over here. So the seats that they done are out there. Let me take a look real quick. See how this leather came out. Oh, sure they're sitting in the sun. Oh yeah. Look at those beauties. Came out pretty sweet. Young Blood Garage. Nice and orange and black. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It is bright and sunny out here today. Holy crap. Sweet. This is the Jeep, the Specimen. Pretty nice Jeep. Gonna be sweet. Old leather, getting some new leather.
Whatever. So what you do is you take 2 12 UDs and you stack them and make 24. So, and then we have left and right equal. So anything I do over here, it automatically does over here. So, but I mean, you could literally cross over this side separate from this side. Not that you ever want to do it. But yeah, so that's your back. 6 and I'm gonna drop them down just a little bit. I put it at 200.
All right, Devin, so what's going on here?
Well, earlier came through. We were talking about getting the seats back in.
We were talking about getting the seats back in.
Now we got the seats in. This side was
Looking good, looking good.
There we go. Now we got the trim in there.
Oh, yeah, I didn't even see. Oh, yeah, this is, I didn't even know. Oh, that looks really good. Y'all matched the color perfect.
Yeah.
I'm assuming these seats are probably going to stay down most of the time because otherwise the port's going to be obstructed, right?
Maybe. I mean, with them being up, I don't think it'll mess with that port really.
It'll still vent, but it might not be, it might muffle it a little bit.
Yeah, more than likely.
That actually looks really good.
Keep one down.
Right.
And then we're waiting on glass to get done. But the next thing is the amp underneath.
Oh, yeah, the big 16K.
Yeah, get that baby.
What was this panel I seen laying over here next to the wheel?
That's the original panel that went around the amp.
Oh, I got you. I see. Man, that looks really, y'all matched that perfect. So is that factory on the wall back there?
No.
Oh, so you wrapped all of it.
Yeah.
It looks really good. It makes it look like it's all meant to be. Very well done, sir. Very well done. I like that. It didn't even feel